everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to reset your Atomic Wallet account's password. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's proceed further. Click open your Atomic Wallet application. In order to reset your password, you'll first need to go ahead and click on the settings option at the left hand side menu, and in order to reset your password, you'll first need a 12-word backup phrases. So in order to do that, from your home screen, go to the settings at the left hand side menu and click on private keys option at the top right. Now enter your password to your account and click on show private keys. Go ahead and copy the private keys by simply clicking on it and then store it somewhere safe. Let me go ahead and type it in my WordPad. Now, the reason we are doing this is whenever you'll need to reset your password, you'll need to first enter the 12-word backup phrases in order to reset your password and recover your account. After you copy and store the 12 phrases keys in somewhere safe, let me just go and exit this for now. Simply close the wallet and click open Atomic Wallet one more time. When asked for your password soon after you open the wallet, in case you've forgotten your password, simply go ahead and click on restore from backup. Now, it says that you'll need to make sure that you have a backup for your 12-word seed phrases that we copied before. Now simply click on continue and enter the 12-word backup phrase. Remember not to share this backup phrase with anyone. Simply type in the phrase in the box and then click on restore. Now on the next page, you can go ahead and reset your password. Type in the password that you'd like to reset to and then repeat the password one more time. Finally, click on set password and then you'll successfully be able to reset your password for your Atomic Wallet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.